my channel. So today I just wanted to quickly show you my room because I've been working on it for like a few weeks now. I recently moved, not me, like my family recently moved, so my room here is a lot smaller than what I used to have, and I just kind of wanted to show you know, how to keep like a smaller room tidy, because I came from a room that was quite big. I had like a massive inbuilt wardrobe. I had a big shoe closet, but once I came in here, like everything changed. It was small, like there wasn't enough like storage, and I kind of like my things tucked away. I had to, you know, figure out a way to, you know, keep everything tidy in this room. And yeah, because it's quite small. So yeah, I just hope you enjoy it. And yeah, this is how I manage my little room. It's not that little, but yeah, for me it's little because I came from like a big room. It was like a master's bedroom. But anyways, I kind of prefer this room because it's a lot more cozy. It's easier to maintain, it's easier to tidy. One thing I would say is if you want your room to look tidy, or if you have like a small room and you're looking for a way to like manage it and maintain it, the first thing you have to do is to declutter. So the good thing about moving here was like I had to declutter, so I had to like throw away like a lot of things that I wasn't using, that was just taking up space. Because sometimes when you're in a big room, like things just sit there even though you're not using it, but because they have like somewhere to stay, you just leave it. But when you move into a small room, you realize, okay, a lot of things have to go. So I had to throw away a lot of things, and in a way it worked out because, you know, I still have like most of my stuff, like I still have a lot of stuff, but you know, I found a way to manage it better. So I hope you enjoy this little vlog. My room is quite simple. It's quite, I didn't want to do like a lot of things to it because I kind of like my room very simple and nice. So yeah, the theme is like white and pink, like mink, not pink, like mink color. So yeah, and a little bit of black and silver all over the place. I don't know, but yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna show you around now. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this vlog. See ya. This room was pretty empty when I moved into, like there was nothing here, so I had to come up with, you know, my own way of decorating it and making it a bit more comfortable for me. Once you walk into my room, the first thing you're gonna see is my bed. So I kind of positioned it here because I just liked my bed to be back in the window. I just like walking in and your bed is right in front of you. And the bed was from Furniture Outlet, so I had to get a new bed frame. It was from Furniture Outlet. The beddings were from B&M, and the cushion as well was from B&M. So what I could have done is like get a bed that has like storage underneath, but to be honest, I didn't have the money for it, so I just got this one. Yeah, but I feel like, you know, if you're looking for ways to, you know, put things away, or if you have a lot of things, you know, having a bed that has storage underneath might help. And yeah, moving on. So here on top of this cabinet, yes, I have this wardrobe, this chest of drawer, and yeah, so on top of it I have my the frame was from B&M, and the actual art was from Decor. And then here I have this little, I don't know what to call this, but it was from Primark. It was only for £7. So what I put here is like the jewelries I wear on a daily, like I wear all the time. Like obviously my studs are not here, but I need to find where they are. But recently, because of the hair I've been wearing, I haven't been wearing like earrings, because this hair is quite big, so it covers my ear. There's no point wearing earrings. But if I do want to wear, like, these are my go-to, so I just leave them up here. Here got this frame again, so pretty, from B&M, and the pictures were from I got it from Free Print, so I just sent it over and they printed it out for me. So here my electric toothbrush. Coming down here I have, so these two top ones, I have like my underwears, and then coming down to the second drawer I have like my tops, you know, like some tops you can't hang, so I like put my tops here. The third one actually, I have like my jeans. I don't like hanging my jeans for some reason, so I have like my jeans, like my tracksuit here. The fourth one, I don't know what to call this, like miscellaneous, so like, you know, the things I will wear like when I'm at home, I put here. I have my scarves, and I have like my clean towel. I have like my other brush, my other toothbrush. Because I don't have like a jewelry, I don't know, like a jewelry holder, whatever, like a jewelry box or something, I put some of my jewelry here because I had to chuck a lot of them out, so I just put some of them in there. And then the last drawer, I have like my clutch bag and my books and, you know, whatever else. Yeah, the big clutch bags are here, the other ones are here. Like some of them wouldn't fit here, so I will show you where I put them. So yeah, that is it for this part of the room. Then once you turn to the other part, then you have like another chest, like a bedside drawer. So this bedside drawer, I didn't buy it actually, so I can't really say where it's from. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you what I have in here. So the first one, I have like my perfumes. I got like this little boxes just to help me organize things. So I have like my perfume and my face mist, like my sprays, like cream. Second one, I have like say like my pad, my sanitary pad, my shaving cream, my whatever else. So like these are like just my go-to. I have like my sewing stuff, so like if I have to sew my hair, my wig, and you know, my clothes is all in there. And then the last drawer, I have my makeup stuff. So like all these three boxes have makeup in them. I have my, you know, my palette, and I have my lipsticks on the side as well. I don't use too much, so yeah, it kind of works out. And on top of this bedside drawer, I've got this dressing mirror. I got that from Argos. This jewelry box was actually a gift from my best friend. So because like I said, I don't have like proper jewelry holder, so I'm just using this to, you know, keep some of my jewelry. I don't have a lot, I mean, because I threw a lot of them away, so like it kind of works out. And yeah, I have like all my makeup brushes. Don't have too much, and like these are like my combs and my brush. Yeah, that's it for that side. I've got the fan. Then I got this little, I don't know what they call, like this little seat here. Normally, because I didn't want to buy like a proper chair for my room, because I feel like sometimes what happens to me is that when I have a chair in my room, I tend to dump stuff on it a lot. So I kind of decided to not to buy like a chair, so I bought like this little thing, and it's actually a storage unit, so I store things in here. So what I have in here is like my business stuff, because I kind of have to like take them out quite a lot, so I just leave them in here. And then when I do my makeup, I sit on here to do my makeup. Yeah, moving on to, okay, this side of my room, I've got like this shelving cabinet. It was from IKEA as well. So on top of here, I have like this frame as well from B&M, and the picture inside was given to me when I went to like a ladies hair workshop. I've got my picture here. I've got this little flower thing going on. I got that from Tesco. And then I bought these little boxes to help me store some more stuff. So here I've got like my socks in here. I've got like my camera tools and you know, my camera tripod and that in there. Here I've had this basket for a long time. I didn't know what to do with it, so I just decided to like store like some of my beauty stuff in there. I don't really use these things, but you know, like when people give you gifts, like those gifts like bath soaps and that. Like I normally keep them here because I normally, when I go on holiday, I take them. So I just decided to store it in here because I didn't know where else to put them. And then this last one here, I've got my hair stuff. So like these are all like my hair stuff, and then yeah, on this side I've got my belt, and this side I've got my hair stuff, and more hair stuff at the bottom. Yeah, what else? So we moved to this side room. We've got so I've got an inbuilt wardrobe here as well, a built-in wardrobe here as well. So I'm just gonna show you. So this one is not proper, of course. When they did the rugs and the carpets, the rugs in this room, they decided to remove the shelves up there. So now I'm having to put my shoes on the floor, but I'm gonna get them to come and put back the shelves so I can put my shoes up there. So yeah, these are like most of my clothes that I could hang. And on the bottom I've got my shoes. At the bottom I've got my shoes. I've got my laundry basket in there. And then what I do is I say like any bags that I'm carrying at the moment, like so this black bag, I'm always taking it to work, so I just leave it there because it's easier for me to take it and go. And then I've got those two bags as well that wouldn't fit in the chest of drawer, so I just left them there. And then the rest of it is all shoes. And here I've got like my jacket, and I normally put my wig here actually, and then like when I tie, this is the scarf I tie when I go to bed, I normally leave it here. And yeah, like my nightwear would go here as well. And I kind of put this thing like in here so that when I close the wardrobe you can't see anything, like everything is like all tucked away. So yeah, that's it for my room. It's pretty simple. There isn't much to it, but I just kind of like the way it decided to get like white light as well, daylight as well for my room, because it really helps me with filming at night and everything. Anyways, yeah, I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of mine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps someone, you know, organize their room better. And yeah, I kind of like it. I really like it. So yeah, let me know what you think, and